If you love watercolor, or you want to get better at painting urban scenes, architecture, landscapes, or everyday objects, this event is for you. If you're a beginner, or somewhere in that messy middle where you've learned a few things but still don't feel fully confident, this is for you too. Maybe you know that feeling when your painting starts well, but then the colors get muddy. The paper feels too wet or too dry. You want to paint loose and expressive, but somehow it turns out flat, stiff, or overworked. Maybe you're not sure when to layer or when to stop. Unsure what the next step should be. And instead of enjoying watercolor, it feels more like you're fighting it. That's exactly why I created Win with Watercolor. It's a free 6-day online event designed to help beginner to intermediate watercolor artists and urban sketchers to paint with more confidence, more control, and more joy. Inside the event, you'll learn from more than 20 talented artists, teachers, and favorite instructors through a series of pre-recorded video workshops, all designed to help you improve your watercolor in a way that feels clear, doable, and fun. You'll discover how to control water better, how to keep your colors fresh, paint looser without making a mess, build depth and atmosphere, use light and shadow more effectively, and follow a clear process from start to finish. So instead of guessing your way through a painting, you'll start making decisions with more confidence. And instead of wondering whether you're good enough, you'll start to trust your eye, your hand, and your own creative voice more. Hi, my name is David Drazil. I'm the founder of Sketch Like an Architect, and I'm very excited to be your host for Win with Watercolor. The event is free to join and will run from April 21st till 26th, 2026. So if you want to grow your watercolor skills, discover new approaches, and learn from experienced instructors, click the link around this video to save your free spot, and I'll see you in the workshops. Cheers!